Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Xero integration in no-code tools step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Type Xero integration into the search bar and hit enter. Look for the official Xero integration page in the search results. Click on the link to access the official Xero integration page. Once on the page, review the available no-code tools listed for integration. Select the no-code tool you wish to use for the integration. Click on the tool to go to its specific integration page. Look for the download or installation button on the tools page. Click the download button to start the process. Follow any prompts that appear to complete the download. After the download is finished, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions provided during the installation. Once the installation is complete, open the no-code tool you've chosen. Log into your account or create a new account if necessary. Navigate to the integration settings within the tool's dashboard. Search for Xero in the list of available integrations. Select Xero and click the Connect or Authorize button. You may be redirected to the Xero login page. Enter your Xero credentials to allow the integration. Grant any necessary permissions for the no-code tool to access your Xero account. After permissions are granted, return to your no-code tool. Confirm that the Xero integration is now connected and functioning. Explore the integration options to customize settings as needed. Test the integration by sending data from the no-code tool to Xero. Verify that the data appears correctly in your Xero account. If everything looks good, you are now ready to start using the integration effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.